Alright everybody, this is Jerry here, Minamoto. We are leading the pack on our way from Darlington, Maryland to Rommel Harley-Davidson in Smyrna, Delaware. It is time for the Delaware Special Olympics Ride to the Tide charity event. This year it's a little bit smaller than normal. They were only selling 750 tickets. It's a police escorted ride to Lewis, Delaware. They call it the Tide, but we kind of end up at a school in the middle of nowhere in Lewis. So that is it. So here we are, kickstands up. It was at 11 a.m. Has to fill out all those people in front of us, then all those other bikes first. There's Mike checking things out. It's a dangerous game I play. How long will it take for the Pan America to boot up? Alright, so it took a hot minute to make it in for the ending point. Had some food trucks and whatnot, but it was kind of suck. I think they got us lost at the end, so all the other bikes just rolled. Pretty anticlimactic. The ride turned out pretty good because it was 750 people versus 1,000 people, so that's not too bad. The police and DelDOT guys did have decent control of the group, but because we were so close to each other, there was a lot of periods where we just got so slow and it just wasn't fun. So that sucks, but it was good. It's always fun hanging out with these people. And I think that is it. The ride today, over 200 miles. Great day for a ride. The motorcycle freaked out a couple times towards the end. It stalled in traffic. And I'm saying it stalled. It wasn't me. It's like it shut off. So by the time we got to the rest stop, or not the rest stop, the final destination, I just looked up my error codes and it was listed under left-hand control module. I reseated the cable. That's the technical term. I'm pretty sure BT uses those. And the code shut off and no problems thus far. You know, another 45 miles in the can. So I don't know if that happened when I was washing it or what, but still something to keep an eye on. I don't want the bike just stop running. So that is all we have happening right now. I'm gonna ride home, listen to some music, and any footage that comes along, I will share it. Alright, this is Jerry Minomoto. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, have fun, and enjoy the sun. It is coming. I can feel it for all of you.